You know, folks come up to me all the time and they say, hey, Bruce, man, wow, you still look great. I'm like, yeah, okay, let's go with that. Another thing I get a lot is, man, Bruce, it must be badass to have a chainsaw for a hand.
I'm not comfortable with this.
It's okay, it's safe.
Why don't you just hand me the money with your real hand?
Because my real hand is holding the iced latte.
Right, but why don't you just put your iced latte down?
Listen, coffee boy, I don't want to put the iced latte down. Why don't you just take the money?
Monique, what do we do about chainsaws? She's on lunch. Okay.
Dave, for your furry little friend.
Excuse me?
May I?
Sure, I guess.
Don't worry about me. I'm a natural with animals, and I must say, you're looking pretty natural yourself.
Stop! Stop! Oh my God! What the fuck?
Oh, what can I say? Sometimes it's got a mind of its own.
Why wouldn't you just use your real hand?
Lady, this one's for sipping. Hey, babe. This next song is, well, it's one from the heart. Kumbaya, my lord.
Dude, that's like the 7th guitar you've broken today. Oh, what the fuck? Hey, whoa.
Ooh, man. That's smooth.
Why don't you just use a real hand? Goddamn you, Bruce!
You see, knowing that mankind is safe is what gets me through those long, lonely nights.
Hey, you talking to my girl, Dick Seed?
What if I was, butter prick?
Well, if you were, I'd say we have a fair amount of... trouble.
We got trouble. Be right back. Let's salsa. Who am I kidding? This thing is totally badass.
Why, Bruce, you've gotten me all wet.
Let's get out of here. Go do our own little no pants dance.
Groovy.